Oh, what a day.
Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to Just Shake or Steer, and welcome back to my garden. Yeah, a little different angle than other videos, but yes, listen to this. Birds playing, sun is shining. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm desperate for a coffee. So today, what I want to do for you, it's a very quick ice mocha with a St-Remy XO. Okay, it's a summer. If you want to sit in the garden and you want to have a quick refreshing drink, but something which is not going to put you down to sleep, but the opposite, keep you refreshed and keep you going through the day, I think this is the best solution for you. So today we're going to do a very quick ice mocha, which is made with brandy and originally made with chocolate syrup, but kind of a prefer with chocolate liqueur. So I'm using Bicerin chocolate liqueur, Italian liqueur, but if you don't have it, just use chocolate syrup. So since we're making it in the garden, let's go a little bit freestyle, shall we? Now, you're gonna need around 45 ml or an ounce and a half of your brandy. In this case, I'm using the XO by St-Remy. You can use your favorite brandy, absolutely fine. Then you're gonna need chocolate liqueur or a chocolate syrup. I'm gonna use Bicerin chocolate syrup. I'm gonna drop around 30 ml. That's it. And now I'm gonna pop some ice in the glass before I actually pour my coffee. So here we go. I have a lovely little glass straw which is gonna help me to stir the ingredients, because that's all you need, stirring. Now we're gonna add our coffee. Perfect. Around 60 ml or 2 ounces of your cold brew. Now bear in mind the coffee should be cold, yeah, not hot, cold. There you go. And a final touch, a whipped cream. And there you have it, my friends. Ice mocha, fantastic drink for a garden and just to enjoy the sunshine and have a wonderful day. I know how it's tastes already, so I'm challenging you to make it and tag me on Instagram with Just Shake or Steer. Until next time, see ya! Ooh.